guys, welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. In today's video we're going to continue the fence project.
That's right. We're going to cut our front yard in half basically. We're going to add hopefully around a ½ an acre to the pasture. It's a ½ an acre more for the sheep to eat and a ½ an acre less for us to mow. So when we first built the house, we wanted to have a nice, landscaped, manicured yard. Now it's all about feeding our family with good, healthy food. So the sheep are going to get the front yard, and it'll be a little less maintenance for us.
So if you haven't checked it out yet, we already started on the fencing. I will link that video here. Go watch that. We already took care of that on the side of the house. Now we're moving to the front yard.
So I'm gonna try to cut the post off that we're using for the existing fence and reuse them where the new holes are going to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive some of these metal T-posts in the ground to temporarily hold the fence up, and then I'm going to cut all the wooden posts off flush with the ground, and they'll still be long enough for me to repurpose them in the new holes. So then we'll wait a day for the concrete to dry, and then we'll move the fencing to where the new perimeter is going to be.
And the FedEx guy's here.
I'm not going to twist these on real tight because tomorrow after the concrete dries on our new post, I'm just going to take this back down. So just going to twist it just a little bit, enough so the sheep can't push it over. But then I can take these clips off hopefully tomorrow and be able to reuse them.
just about finished up setting the poles. See where the existing fence is, so we're adding about that much more to the pasture. You about done?
What'd you say?
You said, are you about done?
Don't make me cuss on camera. What are you doing?
Picking up your trash.
All right, just finished it up. Sun's about to go down. Let's see. I set 15 of these posts today. Got these all set, going all the way down the driveway. Show us what you're working with. So we'll finish up tomorrow, get all the wire put up hopefully, and then all y'all that ordered kits from us and knives and seeds, we'll get it out tomorrow, won't we?
Yes.
All right.
We'll focus on the kids tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll get all your stuff mailed out and on its way to you.
Have a good evening.
Barefootmicrogreens.com. Have a good evening.